Hi, it's Jo from Jo's Kitchen. I love this crispy chicken recipe. It takes very little time to prepare and I don't need to give much of explanation about the taste because it's as good as it looks. But before we start cooking, please press that subscribe button and the notification button to see more of my recipe. We start by preparing the chicken. I have 500 grams of chicken thigh fillet without bone. And you want to cut it not too big, but not too small, about a wide size. And now to marinate the meat, it's pretty simple. About a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, sprinkle white pepper, and just a little bit of the allspice powder. About half a teaspoon of salt. If you like it hot or spicy, you can add a bit of chili powder. But this one is for my kid, so I'm gonna leave that one out. And it's done. Just put it aside while we're going to do now the batter. I just use tablespoon, and I use the same tablespoon to measure the self-raising flour and the corn flour. And you have to use self-raising flour to get that fluffy, crunchy texture of this crispy chicken. 6 tablespoons self-raising flour and 6 tablespoons of corn flour. And here's this little secret recipe. You need to put baking soda, about a quarter of teaspoon. Sprinkle a bit of garlic powder and salt. Now split the mixed flour into 2 parts, 1/3 for dry mixture and 2/3 for wet mixture. Add water to the 2/3 mixture part. Add water a little bit each time so you can get the right consistency. Now you have dry and wet mixture. Put the chicken pieces onto the dry mixture and shake off the excess flour and put them in the wet mixture and also get rid of the excess and deep fry them. In the frying, the wet batter will get thicker, but don't worry, just add water to get that runny consistency. Flip onto the other side to evenly cook both sides. this wonderful chicken, crispy chicken popcorn. I'm sure the inside will be moist, tasty because of those spices. Finished cooking, and now I can't wait to try it. Looks so yummy. You know, when you see deep fried food, I know it's not healthy, but it just makes you feel happy because you know the taste is going to be good. Let's try. The dipping sauce, you can just use any dipping sauce that you like. And don't forget the ratio of the batter is 1:1. Self-raising and corn flour 1:1. It doesn't have to be exact, but it should be around there. And don't forget the baking soda. Last but not least, please press the subscribe button and don't forget the notification button to see more of my recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Send me questions down below. I will try my best to be able to answer your question. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.